Warning. School buses. Reviews. Master of Minecraft. Ready to play every day.
I thought you said it was sitting on a bracket.
It is on a bracket. I'll lift it off the bracket. Lift it off somehow.
Is that one heavier than the other one?
Probably not. I just gotta make sure these brackets are compatible.
I thought it comes with brackets, doesn't it?
It does, but why change it if you don't have to?
I mean, it's safer.
No. So that's got 4 hooks. Let me look at the other one.
It looks so weird not having a microwave there.
2 hooks. So let's see. No.
Alright, so while we're trying to get the bracket figured out, I'm going to explain why the microwave is being replaced, and that is because the magnetron burned out. And for a 17-year-old microwave, you would expect something like that. And the microwave we're replacing it with is a 2024 GE model.
Well, I'm not sure. It should work. But it's got these 2 extra hooks. I just want to make sure it'll hook into the... I really don't want to change this unless I have to.
Is it hard to change?
Not hard, but you've already got it, so you may as well keep what you got. You know what I mean? I mean, it looks just like this one, but I don't understand what the other hooks go to.
Well, this one's a GE, that one's a Kenmore.
Well, I mean, the back of it looks. Guess we'll find out.
Are they all made the same way on the back?
I don't know. Not a microwave expert.
This is supposed to be very flimsy like that on the sides.
Yeah.
Bent paper. I know. Don't forget about the paper.
In we go.
Did it go in the brackets?
No, it didn't.
You gotta run the cable.
Make sure I get it hooked in the brackets first.
Is it in the brackets?
I don't know.
What did you put on your mic of the other free TV?
Do what now?
What did you put on here that?
I put it on heavy because that 4.6 is playing.
No, I mean, did you hook up that thing or what did you,
What?
the antenna or what?
It's next up there to that apple.
Well, could mine be connected to the attic?
I'll have to look at it in a minute.
How did you change that?
I'll have to show you how to do it in a second. It's really crazy, like that one. Because like putting in just random number, it won't work.
I don't know if it's going in or not.
What? And then I believe you gotta open the door for that display to go to. It'll probably take a second.
You want to peel this?
I don't know what PS means.
I don't know.
Hold on. Registration card. I'll do that in a second. Registration. Is that all the plastic off of it?
Yeah. Problem is, there's these styrofoam little balls. You need to get out of there.
Well, are you able to like vacuum it out, or would it mess up the microwave?
I don't think I can just grab them.
It's on the stove too.
Es bueno. Es bueno?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Now can I relax for the rest of the day?
Oh no, you still gotta put the floodlights in. I'll fix the clock.
I know you will.